back to my channel. This is the best place for entrepreneurs, content creators, and those who want to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. I am Ijapari Gang, and today we are going to be learning how to create beautiful flyers for your business. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this day because this is my birthday month, and I decided that this week throughout I'll be teaching you graphic design. I've taught you the introductory aspect of graphic design all with your mobile phone. I also taught you how you can create beautiful book cover like this one and even convert it to 3D like this, all for free using only your mobile phone. So if you are watching right now and you have not gain access to all that particular video, you can ask in the comment section of this video here on YouTube so that I can connect you to those particular video. So today we are going to learn how to make flyers for our business. I know a lot of you will be like, so this is what I've been spending a lot of money for. So but don't worry, I have decided that birthday is all about gifts, and I am gifting you my knowledge, and I hope you will gift me some money too at the end. Don't mind me. All right, so let's go to the practical aspect of this video. All right, here we are at the practical aspect. You remember when I was teaching you the ebook cover and the logo, I use my browser, I use Google Chrome. So this one I want to also use the Canva app so that you see there might be slight different, so that you know where all the tools are. It's almost still the same thing. Either you use the Canva app or you use your browser or Google Chrome. I always prefer Google Chrome. So here we are. Here's the Canva app. I will tap on Canva app. So here there are different templates on Canva. You can either just search for flyer here. You can click on search and tap flyer, or you can, even when you scroll, there are a lot of things you can actually do. So I don't want you to stop at what I am teaching you today. I want you to go further and explore. There are a lot of things, almost all the design in the whole world here. As you can see, there's over 60,000 different templates on Canva on different topics, different sentences, different subjects. Let's say like here now, there are from Instagram posts, logo, Facebook posts, flyers, poster, invitation card, social media, presentation, business card, document, blog post, brochure, Twitter, infographic, Pinterest, YouTube ads, YouTube thumbnail, WhatsApp story, a lot of things, even announcements, book cover, your story, Snapchat, resume. If in case you want to design your CV in a specific way, there is also a lot of things you can do here on Canva. So I want you to explore. Don't stop at only what I'm teaching you today. My joy is to see what you make out of what I have taught you today and how you will go further. So today we are going to learn how to make flyer. So I'm going to search for flyer. Please, at any point in time, if you are finding any of this helpful, you can go ahead and give me a like. I always appreciate that. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section of this video here on YouTube. So here there are different flyers. There are different flyers, and this is because we are using mobile phone. If we are using desktop or a laptop, even in the flyer, it will even differentiate for you. It will also tell you that these are the flyers for business, these are the flyers for announcements, this is flyers for advert, and much more. Okay, like this one now, I can see, as I click on search again, it shows me advertising flyer. So I will click on this advertising flyer so that it will show that it's more specific. It will show you more option. There are actually a lot, far much more option when you are using a laptop. But now we are not talking about laptop. I don't want us to complain of what we don't have, but rather the things we have and we are not making use of it, which is the mobile phone. So here we are. Here there are different templates. You can pick any of it. So I'm going to click this particular one so that to make it fast, although I know that flyers will take longer. So be patient. If you don't have water, you can go ahead and sip. So here is it. Just as it is, just as I taught you, every other thing is almost still the same thing. So it's just what you are changing here. So let's say maybe I want to do a training on what now? Let me say 7 days online training. It should be the topic. 7 days online training. 7 days online training. So here now I can decide to put my name or my logo. I am Mopiba, that's Mom on Point Internet Business Academy. So I can put here Mopiba, or I can say Mopiba presents, right? So I can decide to change this particular one. I can change the color if I want to. So then, since I'm talking about training and I'm talking of online, so let me see here. I can put YouTube like a boss. Maybe things that will be I'm going to be teaching. I will say YouTube like a boss. So you can add anything you want to add. Like if I am, maybe I'm going to train YouTube, I will train on WhatsApp or whatsoever. You can just list it out. So here right now, this particular one, since I'm talking about training and I'm talking of online training, surely I'm going to like to add something like a laptop on it. So as I've told you in the other class, anything you want to add, all you need to do is to tap on this plus sign here. So by the time I click on the plus sign, this time around, since the other one I use my browser, here you can see there's a slight difference between the browser and the app. So here I'll just click on images. When I click on images, I can either check my own image or I can scroll to look for. So this time around, I want to look for images, or I can do it the other way. Maybe I can just use I want to look for templates. So by so doing, if I use templates, it will be better for me. Here, all right, images. Let me search for, in the images, let me search for laptop, then laptop. So when I click on laptop and search, it will show me different images that I can use. You see, as you can see, this one now is free. Here, this one is free. It's even written free. This one is free. There are a lot of them that are free. As this one that you see a crown sign on it, the one that you see a crown, a sign of a crown on it, that means that one is for, sorry, laptop. Let me come again. Anyone you see this sign of a crown here, that means is a paid one. You have to pay to have access to it. So let me just go with the first one. I don't want to waste too much time. Here is the image of a laptop. I can drag it. I can increase the size, but this one is not as bold as I want, so I would want to change it. So how do I do that? I'll just tap on this. I'll tap on the particular image that I want to remove, and then I'll click on this delete. This is the delete sign. So I'll still search for another one. Let me click on this plus sign again. I will tap on images, then I will click on image, then I'll scroll up. Good, here is it. So I think it's wider this way, so you can adjust it, you can increase it, whatever I want to do, you can do it. So I will keep it right here. Mopiba presents 7 days online training, where you are going to be learning YouTube like a boss. All right. So, and then what again? I can say WhatsApp classes, WhatsApp training, or self-publishing. Let me put self-publishing. Then you learn, let me say Instagram conversion. Yes, IG conversion, and much more. So these are the things I want to train. So here is the flyer. If I want to add my own picture, I can add to it. So let's say here now it's saying promo good from June. So here I can put it. I can just put the start day and the end day. So I'll put from today is 12. I can say from 12 to 19th November. All right, I can add and say venue. I'll put like maybe Telegram. All right, so and at the same time, if I want to change any of these things, I can decide that okay, maybe I want to put a different color. So like this particular one now, I can copy it by tapping this here. If I tap it, it has copied. So maybe I want to change the next message I want to put here. I want to change the color. So all I will do is that we'll tap and shift this one, shift it up so that it will be, there will be space, and then I'll set time. Then I will set time. All right, the time will be, so that I will change the color. I'm doing this so that it will be different color. I can change the color. Time will be 8 p.m. daily. All right, 8 p.m. daily. So this one I can change the color so that it will look different. So whatever I want to do, you double tap it so that it will, let me show you with the mouse so that you see what I'm doing. So you can double tap it so that it will always highlight, because if you didn't highlight, you will not be able to change the color or change the font or whatever you want to do. So here it is. Now I can adjust it to this place, and then if I want to see the color here, this is the color. I will tap here and change it to what I want to, whatever color I want to change it to. So I can decide to maybe click here so that it will be red, or if I want it to be green or blue or whatsoever, let me leave it like this. So, and again, maybe I want to add another image. Maybe I want to add, there are other trainers that I want to add their picture. Maybe, so here I can just add the pictures of the trainers that are coming for this program, that are joining me in the training. So in order for me to add the pictures of the trainer, I will click on plus sign. If I click on this plus sign, I can either upload those, I can upload it from my phone, or I can just get the image from here. I'll click on images, so I can go straight to look for their images on my phone, mobile phone, or I can search for all the pictures that I've uploaded on Canva before now. So let me quickly scroll. Okay. So let's say I have, I don't want to use anybody's picture without permission. Okay, let me pick my own picture. So let's assume that this is one of the pictures. All right, we drag it and drop it here. So here, if there are more, you can just add their names. And in case you want to add their name, anytime you want to add another text, you can either copy any of the text here, or you can always come up here and click on the plus sign. By the time you click on the plus sign, you can search for, you can click here to get text here. By the time you click on this text, you can now add any kind of text style you want to use to write their names. So you can pick any of this one here. You can see this one is free, this one is free. There are some things that are paid, as I've said earlier. So let's say I want to use this style to write their names. So all I will do, I will tap on it and it will come up here. So I just copy it. So here now I can decide to write the name. Ijapari Gang. Ijapari Gang as the trainer. All right, so I always like copying what I'm doing so that I can always I'm kind of wanting to delete this one, so I tap on this delete button, so it will ask you, is it the group or the elements? Is group because it's not only one message. As you can see, there's another one up there, so I'll click on group. All right, so as you can see here it is. So I can reduce the size. I can reduce the transparency. As you can see, it's reducing. You can make it look stylish, so I can reduce the size here just so that the name can fit in and much more. So here I copied it again. I love copying everything I do. So that is how you arrange it and you make it beautiful and make it your own. So this design of a thing is not really that hard. All you need is patience. It's very important. If you are not patient, you cannot do anything design. And again, you have to open your eyes to so many things. Just as I've shared earlier, I've shared with you introduction to design, so that you will learn, you will understand when to space and when not to space, and many more things. Okay, delete the group. I'm trying to delete all this thing that I copied twice. All right, so this is it. A flyer like this can go for any kind of training, and nobody will say I didn't do a flyer for my training. Isn't this beautiful? You can also add your logo like this one. Now I can decide to remove this to add my logo. So anything I want, I'll just highlight it and delete it and add my logo, or I can leave it like that. Since I don't want, the reason why it's asking me either is it group or an element. If I say I'm deleting elements now, you see it's only one thing that will go. But if I say I'm deleting, that means it's only the picture of the aeroplane that has gone, because I deleted only the element. I didn't mean I click on delete group, it's both the things that will go. So this is how to create flyer for your adverts. Isn't that amazing? If it is, kindly comment below and tell me how you feel about all this training that I've been doing. I don't know why today I woke up somehow. I've been feeling down, but I've already promised. I said I would have to try as much as I can to do this. So sorry in case you did not get the real energy of Ijapari gang. And the devil is a liar. He cannot try me because I'm so excited. It's my birthday month and I'm counting days to my birthday. I'm going to do a live video that day here on YouTube telling you about my birthday, and maybe prepare enough money so that you can shower me with blessings with this. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to just click on download. You can either click here or here, anyone, this arrow here. So here it will ask you save as what. Do you want to save it as image, or you save it, if it's suggested, as PNG? So you can click on download. By the time you click on download, and voila, it will download and directly save on your images. It's downloading now. Sorry in case you do not really feel that energy of Ijapari. I don't know, I've been down. Go to homepage. Okay, I've been down, but the devil is a liar. I'm just counting a few days to my birthday and I've been feeling somehow. But since I've promised that I would have to do this training, I have promised you guys that I'll be teaching you graphic design. So I am here and I would have to do it because I promised so. So get ready to shower me a lot of blessings. Until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.